So when I put the key on, let's see, it's accessory mode, these lights illuminate. This right here is a rear fog light indicator. This is a US Spec Miata 1999 Miata NB. It does not have a rear fog light, but this is actually functioning as a check engine light. So the other day I had a check engine light and EGR code come on, and this was illuminated. It's only now I realized that it illuminated because, not because rear fogs, its car doesn't have rear fogs, but because that's what illuminates when there's supposed to be a check engine light illuminating. The issue is that the car doesn't recognize that this is the check engine light, and like, even though it lights up when you're in accessory mode, and it doesn't recognize that this is actually the malfunction indicator lamp. So when I go for inspection, it's giving an error. Like, I got the inspection today and it said let's say KOEO fail, and I was told that has to do with the check engine light and that they're not being like a closed circuit, showing that it's working. So that's my issue right now. Any help, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.